Subscribe to Siddharth Kanan's YouTube channel now.
Vidya Balan, the queen of acting and now production as well. ये throne specifically कहाँ से लेके आई हैं आप?
मैं लेके नहीं आई, बूट सिलेक्ट का थ्रोन है.
झूठी, ये मुझे पता चला ये आपके ड्राइंग रूम से है. And you remind me of Mogambo also. ऐसे जो Mogambo बैठता है ना.
Then I should have done this.
That was very, very seducing, huh? By the way.
What?
Vidya Balan doing that.
Oh my God.
अच्छा सुनना, I'm very, very proud of you, यार. और जब तुम पहला प्रोडक्शन करती हो, which has such a solid message for girls, for women, for boys, men, it's amazing. Do you genuinely feel proud of yourself for this being your first film?
Honestly, Sid, it's not something I had planned. I hadn't planned that I want to produce a short film or anything of the sort. It just so happened that Shanvyas came to me and I loved it, and RSVP was producing the film. But Ronnie said, you know, Vidya, we can't afford you. I believe you've liked it a lot, but we can't afford you. So what do we do? Can we offer you producer credit? I was like, but as long as I don't have to do any work as producer, I'm fine taking the credit. So that's how it actually happened. So I keep saying that, yes, I feel very proud that my name appears in the credits of this film twice, one as actor and producer. You know, I've not really contributed as a producer, I feel.
Good ना, but ये बताओ, ये क्या है? इतने सालों से मैं देखता हूँ, हर फिल्म जो करती है, your script is so damn good. Producer हो, actress हो. What is with this and you and good scripts? ये तुम्हारा judgment है अच्छे scripts उठाना, या फिर तुम्हारे सामने आ जाता है हर फिल्म में अच्छा script? It's like 100% hit success, yeah.
I love the sound of that. Thank you. और ये बरकरार रहे बस. But I think it's a little bit of both, you know. I have a hunger to do something different each time. And I feel people know that. So they come to me with different kinds of stories and different kinds of characters. And I'm just having a field day, yeah.
पर तुम्हें कभी वाहियात स्क्रिप्ट्स नहीं आई हैं क्या बीच-बीच में?
वाहियात तो नहीं कहूंगी, पर ऐसी बहुत स्क्रिप्ट्स आती हैं जो मुझे अच्छी नहीं लगती. मैं कौन होती हूँ किसी के स्क्रिप्ट को वाहियात कहने के लिए?
अरे उटपटांग स्क्रिप्ट्स आई हैं जहाँ तुम बोली
हाँ, उटपटांग तो बहुत आई हैं.
But you know what? आप इस फिल्म में एक महिला का किरदार निभा रही हैं who's suffering from domestic violence, but वो अपने बेटे को the importance of equality सिखाती है between a boy and a girl. Do you think, honestly, अगर ये message came from a man's point of view to his son, would it have held more weightage?
I don't know about that, but I'm very glad that it's the mother telling the son. Because I think, you know, I think parents have a very important role to play in the way the child turns out, and that much more the mother. And I think unknowingly, a lot of times, it's actually the mothers who spoil their sons. They don't know any better, of course, but that's because they want to make their sons feel like gods and like kings, not realizing that, you know, every child for every parent is great, but you have to teach the child the value of equality.
जब तुमने कुछ गलती की अपने बचपन में या कभी भी, और तुम्हें आज तक याद है वो लर्निंग जो तुम्हारे माता पिता ने तुम्हें दी थी, वो कौन सा मोमेंट था, क्या था वो?
I think in my initial years, you know, when I got my break in Malayalam cinema and then things didn't work out for me and I was very heartbroken. तब मैं उनके साथ बहुत मतलब बोलती थी कि मुझे I feel like a failure, I feel like मेरा कुछ नहीं होने वाला, maybe I should look at something else. And कभी-कभी उनके साथ उन पर ही मैं गुस्सा भी निकालती थी, because you tend to take your frustrations out on your closest people. You know, I used to fight with them a lot because I thought they didn't understand me and all of that. If they ever told me to try something else, I would feel that, you know, they thought I was not I didn't have the capability or the talent to make it as an actor, you know, because when you're in that frame of mind, na, sab kuch galat lagta hai. But I think more than the way initially, you know, my mother didn't want me to be an actor. Sid, I've told you this before. So she used to keep saying, she used to tell my father, don't encourage her. You know, if my father was around, and if he heard something like this, he would have given her one tight slap because they were so scared, right? Middle class South Indian family with no connection in this industry, and she now suddenly this girl has woken up and said that she wants to be an actor. So I think initially they were so worried, but when they saw how desperately I wanted to be an actor, I think they gave me every sort of support, and their support gave me the faith in my dreams. So I knew that as long as I had their support, it didn't matter even if I failed, that I'd keep trying.
एक जमाना था जब एक प्लेथोरा ऑफ बाबी डॉल्स हो रही थी एज एक्ट्रेसेस. दे वर ऑल लुकिंग वेरी प्रिटी, पर मेल डोमिनेटेड रोल्स थे. वो लोग आते थे, जाते थे, और उस वक्त a hurricane came and just said, यार मैं रेड कार्पेट साड़ी में चलूंगी, मैं ऐसी हूं. Was that tough handling that plethora of Barbie dolls का जो perception था इंडियन फिल्म इंडस्ट्री का, then coming in and saying, यार ये भी तो अच्छा है?
नहीं, actually, I was choiceless in that, because I didn't fit in. I wasn't one of those girls. So I realized that either I can spend an entire lifetime wanting to be them, or I can just be myself and hope that, okay, someday people will say, अच्छा ये सही है. और यही हुआ. जब मैंने किसी और की तरह बनने की कोशिश करनी छोड़ दी, तो लोगों को मैं अच्छी लगने लगी.
Were you trying to be like maybe some other actress?
Yeah. Like the actresses around, like, for example, I tried to dress like them and I looked foolish because I was very uncomfortable in those kind of clothes. They carry it off beautifully. I didn't. I love the sari. And I'm so glad I decided someday that I'm going to wear what I like to wear. I'm going to do what I want to do. I'm going to say what I want to say. And that is so liberating and so freeing. And then people have no choice but to appreciate you. Because they realize you're too shameless.
Not shameless, being comfortable. That's why आप बहुत relatable है, Vidya. People relate to you as a person. As much as you're a great actress, कितने scenes इस फिल्म में मेरी नजर आपसे हटी और गई सानिका पे?
Oof.
बहुत बार हुआ है. I'm honestly telling you that 32 odd minutes. वो गया. कितनी secure है विद्या as an actress? You are told to be the number one actress, but focus तुमसे shift होता है. क्या insecurity आ जाती है?
नहीं, because the focus is the child. And if the focus was me, the story wouldn't work. She is trying to change the way the child thinks. So the focus of her energies, the focus of her storytelling is that child. So and Sanika is such a beautiful child and played Sonu so beautifully that if your attention didn't go to Sonu, then I would have been like, film mein problem hai.
विद्या, अब एक प्रेशर है विद्या पर कि यार विद्या बालन है, अच्छी फिल्म होगी. कभी कभार एक नाइटमेयर आता है यार, ओ माय गॉड, व्हाट इफ माय फिल्म्स फेल? व्हाट इफ समवन सेज, अरे यार ये तो खराब स्क्रिप्ट है और विद्या ने कैसे किया? डू हिट्स एंड फ्लॉप्स अफेक्ट यू?
Of course they affect you. When a film does well, when you receive appreciation, you feel so good. And when that doesn't happen, it is heartbreaking. But now I've realized, I think that it's part of life. Not to say that if it happened, it won't make me feel bad. But I realize that neither is permanent. So it's fine.
Which actor ने तुम्हारा कॉन्फिडेंस बढ़ाया जब तुम अंडर कॉन्फिडेंट थी? Who was from the industry जिन्होंने बोला यार विद्या तू ऐसे कर, चलेगा?
I didn't seek advice from anyone, honestly.
Yeah, really? Nobody?
No one. I didn't know anyone enough as a person to seek advice from them.
क्या did someone reach out to you, like you said, जब तुम ठीक कपड़े नहीं पहन रही थी अपने हिसाब से? Did someone say, विद्या ये क्या था, नहीं करो यार ऐसे?
One actress I remember told me something about my dress sense, but I wanted to turn around and tell her first, why don't you focus on your acting?
तुमने वो बोला कि तुमने सोचा तो बोलोगी?
सोचा. Because जब उन्होंने मुझसे ये कहा, तो I was so stunned that she had the gall to say something like that to me, because it's none of her business, that I came out feeling like, what just happened? And then I thought to myself, but कपड़ों के बारे में बात करना बहुत आसान है. आप एक्टर अगर हो तो थोड़ी सी एक्टिंग भी कर लो.
Okay, now tell me honestly, Rani Mukherjee, obviously, आप लोग की tuning was amazing. Do you feel a lot of actresses शायद आपके साथ 4 बार सोचेगी काम करने के लिए, क्योंकि एक फ्रेम में विद्या बालन के साथ रहोगे तो शायद वो खा लेगी सीन में। मिशन मंगल में हुआ था पर
But look at how Mission Mangal, you know, the 5 of us who worked together in Mission Mangal. And I think we did it so easily. It happened beautifully.
So you feel Vidya Balan, the actress, may not intimidate other actresses?
I don't think so at all. I don't think so at all. You know, I think each of us has our strengths and we were playing to that.
Wow, wow. ये बताओ, नटखट विद्या बालन जब हंसती है, उनका एक सैंटा क्लॉज वाला हंसी है. It reminds me of Christmas. हो माने दिल से हंसती हैं. Okay, I mean you are like this. You're also a girl who's very very naughty and bindas as well. क्या बचपन से ही नटखट थी कि अब हो गई हो?
अब हो गई हूँ.
कैसे?
जैसे जैसे उम्र बढ़ती जा रही है और नटखट हो रही हूँ. I used to be a very quiet child. You know, I like to speak a lot, but I wasn't naughty. Priya's a naughty one.
हाँ.
And remains a naughty one.
तो तुमने कहा basically you become more fearless with age.
Yeah, I think so. I think so. मैं जैसे खुल के जीने लग गई हूँ.
क्या बात है. और तुम जिंदगी भर खुल के जियो, because you're a blessed girl, you're a fine human being, you've got a great family, you've got a great life, you're a great actress, and we love you. एक बार जाने से पहले ये कर दो बाबा.
Thank you for all those greats. You're always so generous. Thank you.